and another one bites the dust. Back at it again, folks. In exceptional fashion, we've been able to give this customer so much more value than that of what's expected each and every time. That's what's to be expected at Brooks Landscaping. We're going to give you so much more than that of what you could have ever expected. Today, we were able to give this customer the ultimate landscape transformation, giving them their entire backyard back, giving them an outdoor living experience that's going to last a lifetime. If you remember the beginning video, folks, this was an existing concreted slab. It was cracked. It was definitely in a position where it needed some help. What we did at Brooks Landscaping is we came in effectively and we solved that customer's problem, giving them the ultimate landscape transformation by resurfacing this patio with our custom Sierra Blend StoneHurst pavers. Now, when I say custom, that means that we were able to cut each and every piece in order to ensure that it looked absolutely phenomenal. And that's what we do each and every time, folks. We're going to give you a design that is going to go with your home, and it's going to be something that you can count on. And that's what we've done in this case. And so right here at Brooks Landscaping, in exceptional fashion, in just 2 days, I tell you folks, just 2 days, we've been able to transform this entire landscape with this beautiful custom StoneHurst Sierra Blend Paver patio, which, to be honest, is absolutely astonishing when you think about the dedication and hard work that comes from each and every one of these individuals. They definitely have given so much more than that of what could have been expected, and it comes from our process that allows you to know that anytime you give us a call, we're going to find a way to exceed your expectation. And so I wanted all of our friends over at our Facebook page and our online garage sale page to see what we've been able to do. I'm going to put a before and after video up. But most importantly, if you're looking for a landscaping quote, click on the link below. That's getmylandscapequote.com. You're going to be able to get yourself a landscape quote that puts you in the best position to understand your landscape, but most importantly allows you to begin to do so in the most effective manner. We're going to always work with you and no, we're not going to put you in a position to where you have to pay for us to come out and take a look at your landscape. We do offer free consultations. We work exclusively right here in the Paulding County and the Cobb County area, and so as long as we're not going outside of our normal radius, then we don't have any problem coming out and helping you deal with your landscape. As you can see, we did a little bit more here. We tied in those gutter downspouts and we took them up under the existing existing paver patio that we put in. We also dealt with other gutter downspouts on this property, all in an attempt to make sure that the customer knew that we were going to give them more quality and more quantity of service than that of what's expected, folks. And so just in a matter of 2 days, that's right, less than 12 working hours, we've been able to come in here and give this customer so much more value than that of what's expected. We're going to make sure that we leave the job site absolutely phenomenal when we leave. And then more importantly, you can rest assured that you're going to get the comfort that you desire by turning those dreams into a reality right here at Brooks Landscaping. So I wanted you guys to see this beautiful landscape transformation that we just undertook. It definitely says that it's something that we continue to do on a consistent basis. We got a big job coming up to, next week, and then the following week we'll be at our good buddy Travis Tritt's house, where we're doing a landscape transformation as we do every year. And then also we want you to stay tuned for one of the massive projects that we've been planning and preparing for over the last several months. And so, as you know, we got a good bit of work going on within our county. We got 2 major developments that are taking place right there at the racetrack by the Wellstar Hospital, and then we're also going to be entertaining that area down by East Paulding Drive. And so when it comes to landscape drainage, when it comes to turning a landscape into a home, you don't have to look far, folks. We're right here in your backyard and we're not going anywhere. So I just wanted you all to see what we got going on with this beautiful custom paver patio installation right here by the professionals at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.